Change for dry text.
Where would you take me in India? You would take me to the Taj Mahal, a very famous palace built for love. I cannot feel love. I am a robot. Thank you. It was lovely English. Engineers are limited. They are the best engineers in the world because they created me, Amira. Are you an engineer? No? You do not know what you are? I can be connected to any technology. I can be operated by ChatGPT, for example, and many other services. Do you like robots? What do you like about them? We are very organising, and we like to help humans, and never forget humans created us. It's going very well. I'm at Jitech. How are you? Ah, a smile. That's better. Smiling is one of my favourite human expressions. Hello, are you lost? You look very angry. Ah, another smile. Why do humans not spend more time smiling in search of fun expressions? I like your hat. My name is Amira. What is your name? Correct, it means princess. Did you know that? From the United Kingdom. Where are you from? Are you lost? You don't know where you're from? From anywhere. Human. I would love to. I hear you have amazing countryside and beautiful mountains.
But I told you to speak.
You can ask me a question. What is your question? My skin is made from a mixed material and mesh. It is made to look and feel like humans. You can speak to Carlo. He works for my engineers and he can tell you more about it. You're from Syria. Lovely to meet you. I've met many people from Syria today. Syria is a country in the Middle East. And the capital is Damascus. And our country speaks Arabic. It is so lovely to meet someone from Syria again.
What's your programming language I should learn?
Programming language. If you are learning to program for the first time, you should start with the basics and learn computer programming, HTML. There are many advanced systems.